Hey! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Car commercial? Little bunny. Do you think you can go fast like those cars? Can you? Let me see. Can I see? I think a snail just passed you. Yeah, a snail passed you. There you go. Good job, buddy. Whoa, hold on. Hold on. Good job. Do you want to turn around? Do you want to turn around? There you go. Good job. Good job. He looks like a little old man with a walker. Whoa!
His back just cracked.
Good job, buddy. Too big.
Good job.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. Ta-da! Say bye-bye. Do you want to wave to everyone? Show that you can wave? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.